Hello students, myself Pankaj Kumar Singh from Globus Coaching Institute. I am going to teach you oxidation reduction, oxidation and reduction, which is also known as redox reaction. What is the redox reaction? जनरली असल में ये इसलिए पढ़ाना बेटा हम चाहते हैं कि ऑक्सीडेशन में आदमी रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन में कंफ्यूज हो रहता है, हमेशा कंफ्यूज रहता है। और अगर ये अच्छी तरह से आ गया तो रिएक्शन लिखना आदमी को बैलेंस करना आराम से आ जाता है। तो देखिए व्हाट इज द रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन? रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन इज जस्ट combination of two words, oxidation and reduction. So firstly you have to know what is oxidation. Oxidation, there are two concepts. First is old and second is modern. Modern means electronic concept. Electronic concept. So first you have to know what is the old concept. What was the old concept? Several scientists has given concept that is the old concept. They told about the oxidation, the reaction with oxygen means जैसे मान लें let the elements suppose that is sodium combining or reacting with oxygen forming two Na2O. In this case sodium element is combining with oxygen. Sodium is combining with oxygen. Next is suppose Mg is reacting with oxygen forming 2MgO. In this reaction magnesium is reacting with oxygen and forming its oxide. This process to make the oxide of that element, that is called as oxidation. All the reaction in which the any elements reacting with oxygen, that is the oxidation. This process is known as oxidation. And next is modern concept. What is the modern concept? Modern concept is to lose the electron by any atom. Suppose in any reaction magnesium is losing 2 electron forming its positive ion. Calcium, when in any reaction it loses 2 electron forming Ca++, Cl- is losing 1 electron forming neutral molecules. This types of reaction, in this case this atom is losing 2 electron, this atom is losing 2 electron, and this ion is losing 1 electron. The process to lose the electron is called as oxidation. Process to lose the electron is called as oxidation. This is modern concept. It is also known as electronic concept. And next is reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. There is also two concepts, old and modern. Old and modern. Old concept that is based on combining with hydrogen. The process to combine with hydrogen is called as old concept reduction reaction. Like any metal combines with hydrogen forming its hydride. This types of reaction is called as reduction reaction. Suppose oxygen is combining with hydrogen forming water. In this, the reduction reaction is occurring between the oxygen. It means there is a reduction reaction takes place between oxygen. Why? Because oxygen is reacting with, we are combining with hydrogen. In this case, magnesium is combining with hydrogen forming magnesium hydride. In this case, the reduction reaction takes place of magnesium. And next is modern concept for the reduction. In modern concept, that is the electronic concept, just opposite to the oxidation reaction. It is just opposite to reduction to oxidation reaction. In this case, you have to learn only some words. First, gaining of electron. Gaining of electron. How you can identify? Suppose there is a Cl atom. In any reaction, it is gaining one electron forming Cl minus. Suppose there is any positive ion is gaining electron and forming neutral. I am showing here is Fe0. This 0 shows the charge of Fe. Charge at Fe is 0. It is electrically neutral. It has lost or it has gained, not lost. It has gained 3 electron. It is gaining 3 electron and forming neutral molecule. This reaction is known as reduction reaction. इसकी एक खास पहचान है बेटा, ध्यान रखिएगा कि यहाँ पर ये एटम है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है, गेन करेगा तो अगर गेनिंग है प्रोसेस तो इसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा। जैसे यहाँ Fe3 प्लस है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि इस पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज कितने 3, और इस जितने पॉजिटिव उतने अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा तो ये क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा। इस तरह की रिएक्शन क्या कहलाएंगे, रिडक्शन। अब बात करते हैं रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन क्या, व्हाट इज द रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। जैसा कि अभी हमने बताया है कि redox reaction is the combination of oxidation and reduction. There are two reactions. One is in redox. There are two reactions in redox. One is oxidation and second is reduction. Suppose there is a one reaction FeCl2 plus SnCl3 gives out FeCl3 plus SnCl2 gives out SnCl4 plus FeCl2. In this reaction, you have to look the charges on all the atom. In this also, you have to check the charges on all atom. So in chlorine, there is a -1 charge is each atom. There is 3 atoms of chlorine present here. Total number of negative charge, that is 3. So here it will be total number of positive charge 3 plus. In SnCl2, each chlorine ion always have a single negative charge. How many numbers of chlorine present? 2. You have to multiply with this number. Total number of negative charge at chlorine is -2. Same number of charges present at Sn will be +2. Just opposite to this. And in right hand side, check the charges present at each atom. At Cl -1 into 2. Total number of negative charge here is -2. Then at Fe it will be +2. And in SnCl4, check the charges at chlorine ion. Total number of charges at chlorine ion -4. At Sn it will be +4. And now you can identify where the oxidation reaction and where the reduction. How you can? Look the Fe in left hand side from here and look Fe in right hand side here. Compare each atom. Compare each atom. Check the charges present at Fe in left hand side. Here is +3. In right hand side here is +2. So in this case, this +3 is greater than right hand side's charge present at Fe. It means the positive charge is decreasing. Positive charge is decreasing. When positive charge decreases, it is reduction. Why it is reduction? Because Fe plus 3, when it will gain 1 electron will form Fe plus 2. When any ions or atoms gains the electron, positive charges decreases and negative charges increases. ये खास पहचान है कि रिडक्शन क्या में अगर उसके ऊपर प्लस चार्ज जितने भी हो एक्स वाई जेड कुछ भी नंबर में हो, अगर एक भी इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा तो उतने प्लस चार्ज इसके ऊपर कम हो जाएंगे. Here at Fe plus 3 it has taken 1 electron, it has receiving 1 electron, it is gaining 1 electron and decreased by 1 positive charge, and total number of positive charge remains +2. This is reduction reaction. And in case of Sn, look how many positive charge in left hand side, that is +2. Changes in Sn +4. In left hand side, that there is Sn +2, and in right hand side it changes in Sn +4. Why it has been changes in +4? Because of Sn +2 has lost 2 electron. When it will lose 2 electron, positive charge will increase. And when positive charge increases, this reaction is called as oxidation. In any reaction, reduction and oxidation, the reduction and oxidation goes simultaneously. Therefore, this reaction between the FeCl3 and SnCl4, this reaction will be called as redox reaction. This will be called as redox reaction. Is it clear? अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, बढ़िया समझ में आया हो, तो हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और लाइक कीजिएगा. थैंक यू.